Hey guys, welcome back to Technopedia. It's Ankit here again. In the previous lesson 2, we've discussed about images and its attribute. Today in this lesson 3 of HTML, we're gonna discuss about body element and its attribute. So let's start with the lesson 3. In this tutorial, we're gonna cover 3 attributes of body type. First is text, which is basically used to change the or set the color of text placed under the body tag. And the second attribute is background color, which is used to set the background color of the web page. And the third attribute is the background image, which is used to set the background image for the web page. So let's start with the lesson. The attributes of body element is always placed with the body tag. So let's talk about the first attribute, that is text, which is used for setting or changing the color for the text. The value of attribute is always placed under the double quotes. So before set the value for the color, we get to know about the color codes. Color are set using RGB color codes, where R stands for red color, G stands for green color, and B stands for the blue color, which are represented as hexadecimal values and always started with the hashtag. For example, for your better understanding, let's take first pair as RR, that is red color, second pair as GG, that is green color, and the third pair as BB, that is blue color. So let's take some random values here from 0 to 9, and we can also take A to F. So let's take 20, 45, 67 and FF. So place some text over here. It's like techno pedia. Place BR tag for a single line break. Copy all this text to the notepad. For more content to be displayed as the output, save it on the desktop. Give a file name rough.html. Here is the file, open it. So the output is here and the text appears in the blue color. So this is the one way for setting the color value. There is also the another way, that is simply write the pairs for RGB color. Let's take 34 for red, 56 for green, and 67 for blue, without taking hash. Save it. Refresh the output. Now the text appears in the gray color. It changes from blue to gray. There is also the third and the last way of changing the color of the text, that is simply write the color name, that is red. Let's take an example of red. Save it and refresh it. So here you can see the color of the text is changed from gray to red. Now let's talk about the second attribute, that is background color, which should be written as BG color. Here you can also take hexadecimal values for the color, or you can take pairs like 67, 78 for green, and let's suppose 82 for blue, like this. Or you can take simply color name, let's suppose green for the background color. Save it and refresh it. So here you can see the color of the background of a web page turns into green. So let's talk about the third attribute, that is background. Which is basically used for set the image as the background of a web page. How to insert an image in a web page I have already discussed in the lesson 2 of HTML, that is the previous one. Let's take an example. I want to place this image as the background of a web page. Let's go to the properties of the image, copy the location of an image, paste it here, again copy the name of an image, paste it after backslash, dot the extension of an image, that is JPG. Save it and refresh the output. So here you can see our image is placed as the background of a web page, and that seems pretty good. Well, that's all about body element. If you find this stuff is helpful for you, then like this video, ask questions in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for upcoming lesson. Bye for now, keep learning, keep practicing.